Hey guys, how's it going? How to request money on Chase Zelle. So to request money on Chase Zelle, open the Chase app, right? Go back to your screen to go ahead to your app, so Google Play, log into your Chase account, and then tap on pay and transfer and select Zelle, and then tap request and enter the recipient's name or phone number. Specify the amount, enter the amount that you're requesting, and add note if needed, and review and confirm your request, and the recipient will receive a notification to send you the money. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.